System online. Welcome to the Eternity Awakening.
I am UEI, your bionic companion.
The engineering mission behind Project 07 is to reach a global cooling target of -4 degrees Celsius. To get there, we have to address a structural failure, our reliance on a centralized energy infrastructure that was never built to withstand a destabilizing climate. Large-scale logistics hubs are currently tethered to this system. They remain exposed to global oil price spikes while simultaneously paying gate fees to remove the very organic and plastic waste their operations generate. For these companies, the path to sustainability usually looks like a financial penalty. Current models require them to either accept lower margins by switching to expensive green alternatives or pay for their carbon footprint through taxes. This reliance on charity or regulation limits the scale of environmental recovery. Reaching a 4-degree cooling target requires a system where the most ecological choice is also the most profitable.
This is achieved by moving away from global supply chains and toward decentralized, self-contained energy nodes. We call this energy sovereignty. It gives a single hub the capacity to manufacture its own fuel and monitor its own carbon sequestration on site. To make this work, the capabilities of a sprawling industrial refinery must be compressed into a single 20-foot shipping container. Unit 001 serves as physical proof. We track performance through this system ladder. It begins with input, consuming organic waste and plastics produced by the logistics hub. Inside, the NV2 system generates power to run the refinery at 47.8% efficiency, with 0 local emissions. This process relies on a high-intensity turbine that has been validated to operate at 120,000 RPM. By generating its own electricity at this level of efficiency, the refinery can operate as a sovereign asset, completely independent of the local power grid. Standard refineries reach 35% efficiency, while Unit 001 hits 54%. This happens via a 3D-printed Inconel 718 Bionic lattice core. Instead of losing energy, it captures 12,450 megajoules of heat, redirecting it into a supercritical CO2 turbine loop. This heat recovery cycle allows the machine to achieve higher energy yields than traditional systems. To manage these high pressures in an urban setting, the V-Nexus Guard provides a safety response time of less than 2 seconds. This system also acts as a data lock, using a blockchain protocol to ensure all impact and production reports are verified and unalterable. The final physical output on the ledger is 791.9 kilograms per hour of high-purity e-fuel. By closing this loop, a logistics hub eliminates the cost of buying and transporting fuel by converting its own waste into a localized supply. While the fuel is a tangible product, the primary financial asset generated by Unit 001 is the premium TVER carbon token. Each unit sequesters 18,500 tons of carbon equivalent annually. At $40 to $60 per ton, it generates roughly 25.9 million baht in carbon revenue. This high-margin revenue drops the capital payback period to just 18 months. Engineering the machine to be carbon negative from day one ensures that carbon removal serves as a revenue stream rather than an operational cost. We are currently allocating 18.8 million baht of participation privilege for Unit 001 to our early access partners. As these units are deployed, they form a decentralized network of carbon capture nodes. This network turns the goal of clean air into a tradable asset, creating a direct financial link between cooling the planet and generating capital. The target of -4 degrees global cooling is achievable when energy sovereignty becomes more profitable than the existing grid.
This is our manifesto: human heart, machine intelligence.